Having more fun than anyone.
Billy here with RetireEarlyLifestyle.com, and we are in Anzio, Italy. Anzio, Italy is on the southwestern coast, about an hour south of Rome. And we've been having some pretty good weather here. We got here about 10 days ago. And we've been having some excellent weather, actually, I should say, compared to what we had in April when we were here. Other than last night, a storm moved in. But you can see here, we're going to have some blue skies up there, so maybe this is all going to blow out of here. I was seeing some whitecaps out further earlier this morning, but looks like they've settled down, so could have a decent day after all. We don't know. You can see here the streets are wet. People are out now walking their dogs, getting their morning exercise. This is a pretty active town from what we're seeing. Every day people are out jogging or exercising, swimming. This is the beach that we swim at. It's not real deep until you get out past the end of that pier. So, and it's starting to drizzle on me again now, so I'm going to move back in under the cover, and it's another day in the life of Billy and Acacia from RetireEarlyLifestyle.com.
1991, the critics said it couldn't be done. Wanted to retire while they were still very young. Selling everything, now they have a life in the sun. Having more fun than anyone. Traveling the world to faraway places. Eating strange food, putting in their paces. Hanging out in Mexico, making lots of friends. It's a lifestyle, they're living to the beautiful land. You see, it didn't take long, living the dream. It's easier now than it ever seemed. It didn't take long, let them show you how, so that you too can retire now. That was 4 decades ago.